Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Gabs Kitchen Adventures. Hope you had a wonderful day and week this week. So what I am doing today is chilaquiles, which is a Mexican traditional dish. I am adding a little bit of a twist, meaning that I am going to go ahead and use pre-made chips. And if you don't have them, you could go ahead and saute in a very hot oil. Go ahead and pre-cut tortilla chips and fry them and set them aside. And when you're ready, start with the salsa, which is what I'm showing you today. I am dicing 2 tomatoes red and dicing a little bit of onion. I'm going to go ahead and saute it until it's a little bit dark and very toasted. Once it's toasted, I'm going to go ahead and add it to the blender, and I'm going to go ahead and add minced garlic along with a pinch of cumin, black pepper, salt to taste, and optional is for you to add chicken flavored bouillon. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it. After it's all blended, I'm going to go ahead and place it in a pan and bring it to a boil. What I did is I added the chips, I added the salsa on the side, and I added diced onion, and I also added scrambled eggs, and now I'm adding cotija cheese, or you could add Parmesan cheese to the chilaquiles. I usually tend to add the salsa right away if I'm gonna eat it right away, but if you're serving it to somebody, it would be best if maybe you place the salsa on the side, so that way the chips do not get soft for the person that will be eating them if they are not gonna eat it right away. Thank you so much for watching Gab's Kitchen Adventures. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click the like or subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this one.